Today I will show how to buy shares of ArcBest Corporation, a U.S. logistics and freight company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARCB. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Investing carries risk, and you should do your own research. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and type the ticker ARCB to find ArcBest Corporation. Make sure you select the stock listed on NASDAQ to confirm it is the correct company. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movements. Double-check the listing confirms ArcBest Corporation and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending market order at the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.